is on the computer. She is looking at photos of giant trees. Alice has plenty trees. Trees help can clean the air. Taylor tells Susie about the forest near the studio. Susie and Rob go to the forest. They can see the trees and get close to them too. They feel tiny next to it. They see many trees with large branches. Hey Alice, come and look these photos on my computer. Wow, those are big trees. Why are you looking at them? I'm writing a news report about them. I like trees. I'm planting some by my apartment this year. Good for you. Why did you do that? Trees help clean the air. Taylor, what are you doing? I'm writing a news report for you and Rob. What is it about? It's about giant trees in the forest near our studio. That's great. I like those trees. Then you know about them. That's good. Yeah, I like hiking in the forest. I can take Rob to see them. Wow, this forest is huge. Yeah, I love this forest. Today is such a beautiful day. Is this a really nice day? Wow, look at that giant trees over there. Is this a very big tree? Is also many trees, many large branches. Let's get close to it. I feel tiny next to it.